In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the conversion API for Facebook Pixel on Woocommerce. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a seamless connection between your Woocommerce store and Facebook, allowing you to better track conversions and optimize your ad strategy. Let's begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your starting point for everything we'll be doing today. Once you're logged in, we need to add a new plugin. Go to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Plugins. From there, choose Add New. This section is like a giant toolbox where you can find essentially any feature you want to add to your site. Now, in the search bar, type in Facebook for Woocommerce. This plugin is our main player for today, as it facilitates the connection between your Woocommerce store and Facebook. After the search results load, you should see this plugin appear. Click Install Now. Give it a moment to download, and then, once the button is available, click Activate to turn the plugin on. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard again. Locate Marketing in the menu and navigate to the Facebook section. Here, you'll be prompted to start the connection process, so click Get Started. This is the part where we bridge your Woocommerce with your Facebook account. You will be redirected to Facebook. Now, it's crucial that you log into the correct Facebook profile, specifically the one associated with your business manager. This ensures that all data is accurately connected to the right business assets. Once logged in, follow the prompts on Facebook. You'll be asked to select the appropriate business manager, Facebook page, and even your Instagram profile if you have it connected. Furthermore, make sure you select your catalog, commerce account, and most importantly, your Facebook pixel. These choices are critical for getting the most accurate data tracking. During this setup, there's an option for automatic advanced matching. Be sure to enable it, as this will help Facebook better match site visitors with Facebook users, improving your conversion tracking. Also, ensure that all relevant options for data matching are turned on, taking full advantage of Facebook's tracking capabilities. Finally, confirm all your connections and settings. The Facebook for Woocommerce plugin takes care of integrating the Conversions API automatically once everything is connected. This integration allows your server to communicate directly with Facebook, improving reliability and performance of data tracking compared to standard browser-based solutions. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Conversion API for Facebook Pixel on Woocommerce. Enjoy the enhanced tracking and insights this setup will bring to your marketing strategies.